Ever wondered how a piston goes from being vulnerable to wear and tear to a gleaming powerhouse inside your engine? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of chrome plating pistons. First, meticulous cleaning is crucial. The piston is degreased and cleaned, removing all traces of oil, dirt, and contaminants. This ensures the chrome adheres properly. Think of it like prepping a wall for painting. A clean surface is key. Next, the cleaned piston is submerged in a specialized electroplating bath. This bath contains a chromic acid solution, the heart of our process. Now for the science. An electrical current is passed through the solution. The piston acts as the cathode, Y-euro the negative electrode, Y-euro, and a lead or other suitable material acts as the anode, Y-euro the positive electrode. This current facilitates the deposition of chromium ions onto the piston surface. Chromium ions are attracted to the negatively charged piston, forming a thin, uniform layer of chrome. The plating thickness is carefully controlled by adjusting current density and plating time. Rinsing follows the chrome bath, removing any residual electroplating solution from the piston surface, ensuring cleanliness and preventing carryover into subsequent processes. Finally, inspection is critical. The chrome-plated piston undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure it meets strict quality standards for thickness, adhesion, and surface finish. A perfect, smooth, and durable chrome layer means increased performance and longevity for your engine.